Yes, hello, good evening, Octao.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Octao. How are you?
What can you see on
How's
my
your
slide?
evening? How's your evening?
Hello, teacher. Hmm. Hmm. Eating my dinner.
Pardon?
I eating my dinner.
Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, now, so can you hear me or see me well?
I hear you.
Okay, very good again. Okay, so are you ready for our lesson this evening?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. But before that, let's check your homework, right? You have homework. So now let's
Yes.
check. Okay. So now can you see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so let's check if your answer here is correct. Okay, so number one is example, right? Listening. So let's proceed to
Yes.
number two. Okay, your answer number two is
Right.
correct. Very good. How about number three? Okay, very good. Can you read?
Okay. Eat.
Okay, eat. Your answer here is correct again. How about number four?
Sit.
Okay, sit. Very good again. You've got three correct answers. How about number five?
Run.
Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct again. How about number six? Your answer here
Wait.
is wave. Okay, very good again. And number seven is
Smile.
smile. Okay, very good. How about number eight? Where is your answer number eight?
Hmm.
Your answer, supposedly the answer here, number eight is swim. Okay, so
Hmm.
you've got a perfect score. How about the next one? So your answer here is there there blank five fish. Okay, so your answer here is R. Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct again. How about number two? Can you read?
Okay. The boy and his mother are in the boat.
Okay, very good. The boy and his mother are in the boat.
Boat.
Okay, very good again. You have two correct answers in next part of your activity. How about number three?
Okay, you can see a girl and on the he- her bike.
On her bike.
On her bike.
Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct. How about number four? The
Okay,
duck.
the duck i- is sleeping.
Okay, very good. The duck is sleeping. Sleeping. Okay, your answer here is correct. How about number five? The
Fine.
man.
The man and the woman are wearing hats.
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 Okay, very good. So the man and the woman are wearing hats. Okay, your answer here is correct. How about number six? The kite.
Okay, the kite is flying in from top the boat.
Okay, the kite is flying in front of the boat.
Boat.
Okay, very good again. So you've got a perfect score with this part again. Okay, very good, Nocta. Good job. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so Bill is example again, right? Bill is sitting on the chair and Bill is sitting on the chair. And okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so Pat,
Okay.
what's Pat
But
doing?
but is flying tablet.
Okay, Pat is playing tablet. Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct. How about the second one? Tom.
Okay. Tom Tom likes the robot.
Okay, time like her robot or Tom looking for the robot. Okay, very good. And the third one,
Okay. May likes wearing my clothes.
okay, your answer here is may like or wearing my clothes. Okay, so very good. And then the correct answer here is may stand next to the wardrobe. Okay, but still correct. Okay, so very good. You've got a perfect score, and let's proceed to the next update. Mm, let's proceed to the next assignment you have. Okay, so this one, the last one is Matt
Bill,
playing board game with.
Bill is sitting with the dog.
Okay, so Jill is sitting with the dog. Okay, very good. You've got a perfect score again. So good job, Nukta. Uh, keep it up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good job. So that's all. Do you have any question regarding that homework?
No.
Okay, so since now, let's proceed with our lesson, okay? Okay, so can
Okay.
you see now? What can you see in my slide?
Hmm. Use use up can.
Okay, very good. So since we're not yet done of Unit 25, Animal Challenge, so now let's continue. So we've discussed our last meeting, which is grammar, can and can. Okay, so have you remember what is the differences between can and can't?
Yes.
Can you give me an example which is the differences between can and can't?
Okay. I can swim.
Okay,
You can
very good.
you you can use my pen.
What else?
Okay. They can't speak flow
French.
French.
Okay, so very good. So the use of can is ability or possibility, which is I can swim. And how about you? Can you tell me about yourself, which is ability or a
Ability.
mm-hmm.
Eh,
You can do a possibility that you can do or your ability. For example, Ngok Tao can read, right?
Teacher say can mm, can write.
Okay, very good. Okay, so do you have any question regarding this slide?
No.
Okay, so since now, let's proceed to our next. Okay, next slide. Okay, so farm animals and wild animals. Okay, so what are farm animals? Or what are the animals that you can see in the farm?
Mm, mm, the animals. Mm,
What are they? This one. What can you see in this picture? Farm animals.
sheep,
Sheep. What
cow,
else? Cow.
goats,
Goat.
goats, pig, pig, pig,
Okay, pig.
chicken,
What else? Oh,
pig,
chicken. And what is this?
goats,
What is this?
how,
Horse. Okay,
mm,
very good. How
horse,
about wild animals?
mm, giraffes,
Giraffe,
lion,
lion.
lion,
Mm-hmm.
lion,
Okay.
tiger,
Tiger,
hippo,
hippo,
hippo, zebra,
zebra. And then how about elephant? Okay, so now since you see the farm animals and then wild animals. Okay, so let's answer the question here. Okay, so what's your favorite wild animal? What is your
mm,
favorite with this? And
giraffes.
oh, giraffe. Your favorite here is giraffe and then okay, I think that's all. So let's proceed. Do you have any question regarding this one?
No.
Okay, so let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so we are now in part A. Which animals can you see in the picture? Can you find 10 animals?
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to look at this picture and then find 10 animals. Is that okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, so you may now start.
Snake.
What?
Snake.
Pardon? Snake?
Snake.
Okay, very good.
Hippo.
Hippo,
Crocodile.
crocodile. What else?
Bird. Bird.
Bird. Okay.
Tiger. Tiger.
Tiger. And then
Monkey.
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 Okay.
Fish.
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 Okay. And then
Spider. Spider.
spider. Okay. And
Mm,
then
mm, elephant.
elephant. And then
Elephant.
okay.
Giraffes.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
What else? That's all? Okay, now let's see if your answer here is correct. Okay, you answer bird, right? There is a bird, crocodile,
Yes.
fish,
Yes.
elephant, giraffe, hippo, monkey, spider, tiger, and snakes. Okay, so can you read it again?
Okay. Bird. Crocodile. Fish. Mm, elephant. Giraffes. Hippo. Monkey. Spider. Tiger. Snakes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so do you have any question regarding this one?
No.
No? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So don't forget with this name, okay? Because we have a lot of activity that you need to do, okay?
Okay.
So now let's proceed. Okay, so now part A, answer the question. Okay, so you're going to answer the question now. Okay, so which wild animals are funny?
Spider.
Pardon?
Spider. Hmm.
Which
Snake.
animal? Snake?
Snake.
Are you sure with snake?
Fish. Yes.
Wild animals are funny.
Snake.
How about
Snake.
monkey? Right?
Yes.
Monkey is a funny
Monkey.
one, right? And also
Yes.
elephant. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. Which animal or which wild animals are big?
Hmm. Elephant.
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 Oh, very good. Your answer is
Giraffe. Gir-
giraffe.
Giraffe.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Tiger.
tiger. How about this one? Which animal and wild animals are small?
Bird.
Bird? What else?
Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey. Fish. Fish.
Mhm. What
Fish.
else? How about snake?
Spider.
Okay,
Spider.
spider. Okay, very good. How about which wild animals are ugly?
Hmm.
What is that?
Fish.
Oh, fish. What else?
Fish.
Only fish?
Tiger.
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 Okay. And then, how about snake?
Mm,
Snake is not ugly?
no. Yes.
Okay. So, do you have any question regarding that one?
No.
Okay, so since no, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so we are now in starters tip. In listening part 4, you only have 15 seconds to color each object in the picture. Okay, so you only have 15 seconds. Okay? And then you know that you don't have to finish coloring the object in order to get the mark, and there are no extra marks for beautiful coloring. Okay?
Okay.
So now let's proceed. So we are now in this picture. Okay. So where are the snakes?
The snake. One snake on the on the ear elephant.
Okay. Ears and the elephant. And then,
One snake on a tree.
and then, how about
One
the,
s- one snake. One snake on a tree too.
mm-hmm. And then,
One one snake uh under the tiger.
okay, under the tiger. And then,
One snake one snake on the water.
okay, very good. So now let's proceed to the next question. Okay, so we are now
One
in part
one
one
what?
snake.
One snake on the leaf.
Okay, so
Behind the
monk.
flower.
Oh, behind the flower. Okay, now, so we are now in part B. Listen and color the snakes. Okay, so can you see the snakes, which is no
Yes.
colors? Okay, very good.
Yes.
So now, let's put the color with this. Okay, so you have 15 minutes to answer this one, okay? 15 seconds rather. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now listen and color the snakes. And I'm going to play the audio now and listen carefully, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now, listen carefully and answer it.
25B. Animal Challenge. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
There are lots of snakes in this picture.
Yes, there are. Can you see the snake behind the big flower?
The snake behind the big flower? Yes. Can I colour it grey?
Yes, that's a very good colour for it.
1.
There's a snake on the elephant's ear. Colour that snake now.
OK. Which colour?
Colour the snake on the elephant's ear blue, please.
OK. There.
2.
There's a snake in the water too.
I know. Colour that snake now.
What colour?
Colour the snake in the water red.
OK. I'm doing that now.
3.
And there's a snake under the tiger.
You're right.
Colour that snake yellow. Can you do that?
Yes, I can. I'm making it that colour now.
Good.
4.
One snake is in the tree. Let's colour that one now.
OK. Can I colour it purple?
Yes, you can.
Great. The snake in the tree is my favourite colour now. Look.
5.
I can see a snake between the monkey and the bird.
Me too. Can I colour that one brown, please?
Yes, you can.
The one between the monkey and the bird. Great. There.
Well done.
Okay, very good. Okay, so are you done? Yes. Okay, very good. So now let's check. Okay, so the snake on the elephant ear. Okay, very good. And the snake on the water. Okay, very good again. And then the snake, this one, a purple one. Okay, very good again. And the brown one and the yellow one. Okay, very good. You have a correct answer. So you've got a perfect score. Good job, Ngoktao. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next question. Okay, so some people have pet snakes. Would you like a pet snake? Would you like? Oh,
No.
what kind of animals that you want or you liked?
Duck.
Duck?
Duck.
What else?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. How about monkey or a bird?
No.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now you don't like a snake, Peach. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Or do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so since no, let's proceed to the next one. Okay. So we are now in part C again. What can you see in the animal picture? So, can you see the bird's tail?
Bird's tail.
Can you
Yes.
see? Okay, very
Yes.
good. And then, can you see the feet? Hippo's feet? There is a hippo's
No.
feet. Okay, very good. Okay, so now, you don't have any question regarding this picture?
No.
Okay, so you don't have any question. Let's proceed with your activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we are now in part C. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Okay, so you're going to look at the picture in order to answer this one, 1 to 10, okay?
Okay.
Aside from what you see this one, you're going to put a check or a cross. If it is a check or cross, okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And now start answering. Good luck. Okay, so now let's check if your answer here is correct. Okay, so number 1, the spider's body. Okay, let's see if your answer here is correct. Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct. How about number 2? Can you read?
Okay. The spider mouse.
Can you read number 2?
Okay. The tiger mouse.
I can't hear you.
The tiger's mouse.
Can you read number 2?
The tiger mouse.
Okay, the tiger's nose. Can you repeat? The
The
tiger's
tiger nose.
nose. Okay, your answer here is correct. Very good again. How about number 2? Number 3 rather. Can you read?
Okay. The hippo's legs.
The hippo's legs. Legs.
The hippo legs.
Legs. Legs.
Legs.
Okay, the hippo's legs. Okay, the answer here is okay, very good again. How about number 4, the monkey's arms? Can you read again?
Monkey arms.
The
No.
the monkey's
The,
arms.
the monkey arms.
Monkeys. The
Monkeys.
arms.
The monkey's arms.
Okay, let's see if your answer here is correct. Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct again. How about number 5? Can you read?
Okay. Okay. The elephant here.
Head.
Here.
Head.
Head.
Okay. The
Head.
elephant's head. Okay. Okay, very good again. Your answer here is correct. How about number 6? Can you read?
Okay. The giraffe feet.
The giraffes.
The giraffe's feet.
Feet. Feet. Okay, so your answer here is okay, good job. Your answer here is correct again. How about number 7? The fish tail.
Okay. The fish ha- the
Tail.
fish tail.
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 Okay, very good. Your answer here is okay, very good. Your answer again is correct. How about number 8? Can you read?
Okay. The bird's ears.
Eyes. The bird's
The bird's
eyes.
eyes.
Okay, very
The
good.
bird's eyes.
Okay. Your answer here is okay, very good again. Good job. How about number 9? Can you read?
Okay. The crocodile's mouth.
The crocodile's mouth.
The crocodile's mouth.
Okay, very good. Your answer here is okay, very good. Your answer here is correct again. How about number 10?
Okay. The giraffe's ears.
Okay, the giraffe's ears. Okay, your answer here is okay, good job. You've got a perfect score. So can you count how many score you've got?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
Okay, very good. You've got 10 over 10. Good job, Muktao. You've got a perfect score. Okay, so keep it up. Okay, so do you have any question regarding this one? Do you have any question or
No.
clarification? Okay. So
No.
since now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so we are now in part D. Now listen to Tom talking about his pets and write the answers. Okay, Tom's pets. Pets.
Okay.
Tom's pets.
Tom's best.
Pets. Pets.
Pets.
Pets.
Pets.
Pets.
Pets. Pets.
Pets.
Pets.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to play the audio and then listen carefully in order to answer this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to play the audio and good luck for this activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good.
25D. Animal challenge. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Tom. I love animals. We've got 3 pets. They're sheep. They say, "Baa, baa." Our sheep live in our garden. You can come and see them in our garden. I really like playing with them. They have funny names. Their names are Lucy and Ben and Pat. You spell Pat P-A-T. They're funny sheep. They eat Mum's flowers. Mum doesn't like that. She loves her flowers. The sheep love them too.
They live in his sushi.
25D. Animal challenge. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Tom. I love animals. We've got 3 pets. They're sheep. They say, "Baa, baa." Our sheep live in our garden. You can come and see them in our garden. I really like playing with them. They have funny names. Their names are Lucy and Ben and Pat. You spell Pat P-A-T. They're funny sheep. They eat Mum's flowers. Mum doesn't like that. She loves her flowers. The sheep love them too. I love animals. We've got 3 pets. They're sheep. They say, "Baa, baa." Our sheep live in our garden. You can come and see them in our garden. I really like playing with them. They have funny names. Their names are Lucy and Ben and Pat. You spell Pat P-A-T. They're funny sheep. They eat Mum's flowers. Mum doesn't like that. She loves her flowers. The sheep love them too.
Are you sure with your spelling, garden? Garden. Garden.
Garden.
Garden.
Garden.
Some likes blank with them. Do you want me to play again the audio?
We've got 3 pets. They're sheep. They say, "Baa, baa." Our sheep live in our garden. You can come and see them in our garden. I really like playing with them. They have funny names. Their names are Lucy and Ben and Pat. You spell Pat P-A-T. They're funny sheep. They eat Mum's flowers. Mum doesn't like that. She loves her flowers. The sheep love them too.